Joe Beermaster. I'm here today with the new Charger Daytona 2025. At first glance, it's not as ugly as I thought it would be. It actually looks pretty sporty. It's got this neat scoop in the hood there and decent body lines. This one's going for $70,000 and it does not have a gasoline engine. It's an electric motor. Let's just walk around a little bit. Get a quick look. I mean, I personally don't like the vehicle. Wouldn't buy an electric vehicle like this, but it does have its advantages. Here's an RT right here. Just getting first glance at it. Here's a surprising thing. 98 miles per gallon, 104 city. This is an RT. It's going for $65,000. It's pretty on the inside, so I guess that would be the reason why somebody would buy something like this. It is sporty looking, but it does not look like the traditional Challenger or a Charger. Here's the traditional body of the Challenger. It's the original traditional style. And the Charger's here. It's a little different. I personally like the original styles, but it's not too bad. If you're into electric cars, I guess it's okay. I wouldn't buy one, but not as bad as I thought. And unfortunately, I think they put a sound box somewhere in the rear to make it sound like it's got a big engine in it, which it doesn't. There you go. There's my review.